Good day, children. Hope you enjoyed the last lesson on pattern design. Today we're moving to another topic, and that is nature painting. Nature painting refers to the painting of natural things, plants, animals, rock formations, and related things. Now, for our lesson today, we're looking at several aspects of nature painting. As you can see in the video I'm showing right now, I have fruits arranged in a plate. That is a form of nature painting. Let me say here that nature painting could also be the painting of leaves in a pot, which is called potted plants. It could also be that of flowers in a pot. We'll now demonstrate using some of the materials I have on the table here. I have here the marker, the pencil, the poster color, and colored wax. I will start with the use of my marker, and I'm drawing potted flowers. The first thing to do is to draw a circle and draw semicircles around it as I'm doing here. Then I will go down to the stem and also add leaves to the stem. Remember, I said earlier that nature painting is the painting of natural objects, natural things like plants, animals, rock formations, and related things like that. I've finished with my flowers and leaves, and I'm now working on my flower pots or flower vase. Remember, when you're drawing, you use lines, curvy lines, straight lines, spirals, and the rest of them. After I've finished working on my pot, I can start painting. Remember, in nature painting, we translate our drawings into painting using any of the painting materials that we have. Right here, I'm using my colored wax, that is the crayon wax, to color the flowers I drew earlier. The next thing I will do is to color the leaves, and I will use the natural color of leaves, which is green. After that, I will work on the background. The background refers to areas around the objects, that is, around the leaves, the flowers, and the pots. I want you to do exactly what I've done, but you have the freedom to use another type of flower. Get your paper and create a nature painting of flowers and leaves in a pot. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.